Digital Entrepreneurs, our 5-minute power interview with the expert star.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Rosaline.
And my name is Teresa.
Um, Today, we are here with Coach Christian, and we will be talking about his business. Coach Christian, thank you so much for accepting this 5 minutes quick interview. We appreciate your time.
No problem.
So, when did you start your digital business, Coach Christian?
Digital business. Well, before I answer that, I want to introduce myself really quick. I am a Christian, like Rosalind said. I'm a father of 3 boys. I have a wife, which is a nurse, and we started this business back in actually November last year. So we just had our first anniversary in the
Wow,
business.
Wow.
Yes,
it's very new.
thank
So,
you so much. Yeah, and what's your question again? I'm sorry, I kind of got a little lost.
you're good, but wow, it's very fresh, huh? I am so I've been this business like 2 years, but I am so happy. You're very successful.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, it looks like you guys also doing well. So.
What was your background before you start this business? If you could share us a little bit.
I used to work as a site survey engineer. So I usually goes to like construction site and like high towers, actually go rooftops and stuff and do a lot of drawings and planning and but then when we had a third child, we have to actually be practical and choose, someone needs to stay home, right? And at that time I don't really wanna, as a guy or as a provider, I don't really want to stop working, right? But it came to a point that we really need to decide. So I stopped working, and my wife continued to do the nursing, which is supporting us financially up to now while I'm doing the business, right? And yeah, 2023 when I stopped working, and we discovered this business last year in November. And so far it's been great because before that there's a lot of doubts, there's a lot of fear. I'm pretty sure you guys experienced this because jumping into anything new, especially business, online business, it's a little scary and it's a big decision, of your life, right? It's one of the major decisions. And what actually made us jump into the business is because we were talking one night and said, if we didn't actually take the chance and look at it at least, we might miss the opportunity and we might just see those people actually friends with us thriving and we
Yes.
being left out, right? So I told them, if it doesn't work out for us, then we can just go back to how it was. But then it ended up, it turned out being way better because right now I find my sense of a purpose again. I became a coach, as you guys can see. I'm earning on the side. We got 3 stream of incomes right now because of this business. And yeah, I'm able to support my family again. So it's just a win-win for us after a year of training and doing this business.
Yeah, wow, congratulations. And yes, for taking that really first step. That was the hardest really part for
Yes.
us to jump in.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, I could go to Christian. I know you mentioned some of your, the about the business, why you love the business. But what do you love most about running your own digital business?
What I love the most, of course, the flexibility, right? I know people might say it's the paychecks and the commissions, right? But it's not always about the money.
Yes.
We come, we always do mission before commission, but at the same time, flexibility. I have a father of 3. I have 3 boys, and I'm staying home, and I attend to all their needs. Snack time, pickup time, school time, nap time, everything. And that flexibility itself gave me, all the time that I need to spend with my kids while my business is actually doing all the work for me. So all those paychecks that I get, we feel like that's just a bonus because I'm able to be a full-time dad at the same time I'm providing. So that's my favorite about this business.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach.
So for the final questions that we have here, I think you already bring up that you're able to help more your family. If you could, if you have anything to add on. So what would you say has been the biggest life changing moment you've experienced since starting this business, especially within I would say a month, maybe a couple months. You've been new, but very successful.
Well, the life changing, I guess for us, it's like I said, I found myself, another purpose, right? Because as a provider, like I said, I do want to provide for my family. I found my sense of self again. I start being confident again. I didn't even want to do this before when I first started this live things because I'm really scared of speaking to public, right? And I think it's just the peace of mind. I think that's the life changing, like the biggest thing that's changed for us. Because like before all this, there's a lot. Like I said, there's a lot of doubts, a lot of sleepless nights, right? But with this business, if I'm able to provide me a sense of finding myself again, and of course the peace of mind is just a really really big plus. That's why I really love this business.
Yes, thank you so much, Coach. It's wonderful and for spending time with us today. And yeah,
Guys,
thank you. And God bless you, everyone. I hope we inspired a lot of people today.
Thank you so
all
much,
right. Well,
Coach.
thank you guys for watching. No problem.
If you want to learn more, register on one of our website and watch our free workshop, or feel free to connect with us directly.